Hello curious people, so this is the heater I was telling you about yesterday. I got given by somebody at work, so never done one of these before. I think I'll just start by literally taking apart every screw I can. Okay, that one's should have brought my screw tub out here, but actually, as it's a semi-warm day today, I can actually do this outside for a change. That one's being stubborn. So yeah, for a October day where we've had nothing but horrible rain, it's actually quite a nice day. This one's doing the same. Some of these are being stubborn, some are coming easily. Right, well, that's the top bit. These off. There's that white metal again. That's weird, that looks like a pull cord. That's got copper in it. They're white metal. Okay, not much going on there. Screws got all. It's quite chilly out here, but it's don't know, this is a big thing, so it's a bit easier to do out here, to be honest. Right. Where were you? There you were. That is a totally different shape. It's like a 3. Okay, so basically I have not got any kind of screwdriver that will undo those 3 weird screws. So I'm just going to try to go in from this way. Otherwise I'll just have to pretty much smash my way in, which wouldn't be great. don't really want to smash the way in, but if I have to, then obviously I'll have to. Very strange though, I've never actually come across that where you 3 random screws different to all of the rest just dotted about, but hey ho, there we go, these things come and surprise us. Right, that's that out. Now you can see that element, heating element going all the way down there. It's quite interesting. Very shiny. Okay. It's pretty cold out here, my hands are freezing, so I'm just gonna use little flatheads to pull out the bits. There we go, this looks like the quickest way in anyway. Okay. So we've got some, I don't know if you can see that. Actually, I might be able to pull that out. Lots of wiring. Just wrapping around the screws that I can't get out, so just cut that there. Right, this is really thin, it's literally a bit like just ever so slightly thick foil. So here we've got the cable tie, it's stopping it coming out. Okay. Alright, you can see a little motor down there. So I've got to try to get in there. But I'll just, that's the earth from the plug. Okay, so that element in there, not entirely sure what that's made of. Excuse me, this is pretty flimsy. I'll just put that over there to deal with. Now, let's see if I can easily get under here. First things first. Nice bit of copper in that cord. Oh, it's actually lovely to be out here again. Let's see if I can just take this base off. Yep. And take the base off. More black plastic. Right. Okay. I always have so many screws to pick up. There we are. Okay. So, what have we got going on in there? A little bit more wiring. Tell you, I can even get that bit if I take those off. Oh no, it's more of those three. No. They are weird screws. I need to get myself one of those, it would seem. Okay. So that is still wedged. Ah. I tell you, if you scrap out a lot of things, definitely the screws add up. I actually probably don't need to do those other ones. That must be a motor in there because it's a turning. Take this off anyway, see if I can slide it out. Even though I've got some screws up the top that haven't come out. If I can get everything else off, I might be able to just eke it off. So that is in under these panels. I reckon I can do that with a flat head because it's got a. So that is another different screw in there. Okay, that's what I need to get to. can get it open enough, I'm just going to put my eye shields on. There we are. The last thing I want is a piece of plastic flying up and smacking me in the eye. Right, I'm just going to be a bit brutal here. There we go. Right. Thank you, annoying piece of black plastic. Very exciting. I've actually managed to get some washing on the line today. First day in ages. I really hate drying washing indoors. It's grim. Oh, how am I going to get that off? So I thought this would be a quick, easy one, this one. Wrong! Keep me entertained though. It's the only thing I have actually got. That's not the right. It's the only thing I've actually got to take to pieces today, so it doesn't actually matter how long it takes. Come on. Sunder's outside today. He hasn't even really been too keen on, you know, going outside because it's been horrible. Hang on, let me see if I can. What else is holding this in? I think it's literally these, and I don't know how to get them off. Oh, here he is. Hello, my darling. Sunder, come say hello. I say kitten. He is still to us a kitten, but he is, you know, he will be 1 next week, actually, roughly. Obviously, because of where he came from, it's a little bit unknown, but anyway. Hang on. Oh gosh, not much wiggle room there. Gotcha. Hey, okay. Right, so I've still got to get into this bad boy. Okay, so I'm totally stumped. I cannot figure out how you get that screwed from that way, that screwed from that way. So basically I'm just going to go and smash this off so we can just see what's in here. Okay, so I basically just threw it on the concrete up by the shed base and this just popped right off. So I'm not really going to bother with, I don't think there's anything else in there. I mean, obviously this is metal. You'd want to get this off if you wanted to send this off for clean, I guess, steel. Not really sure. But this is the motor. These are quite old school, these motors. Dueling electrical appliance. Synchronous motor. So there we are. That's obviously a sealed unit, but I can put that in motors. So there we have it. I have a massive mess here, but basically I'm going to show you what was inside one of these types of heaters. Obviously there's all the plastic, there's some metal wiring and a very small little motor, small but a nice one. So I'm going to chuck that into motors. You can see I've got a little bit of a collection of stuff there that needs sorting. I am a bit tempted to get in here just to see what that's made from, but obviously that's going to entail smashing the glass, and I don't particularly want to smash the glass, so I might just put this by for another time when I'm feeling like I might want to investigate further. Well, you know what, I could just Google it, but where's the fun in that? Okay, so there we have it. That's what's inside one of these little electric rotating heaters. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.